What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're going to Whole Foods so I can show you all the amazing things that I buy from Amazon Fresh as well as Whole Foods. Let's go. A lot of you don't know, but Whole Foods is owned by Amazon, guys. Alright, so I'm showing you guys all the fresh vegetables that they have, and they bring these right to your door. I order some of these fresh mushrooms sometimes, or I go to other places, which I will show you in the future. If you guys are receiving any value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now, look at all these mushrooms, family. And this is Whole Foods, guys. Whole Foods. I love to get some arugula here because it's not that bad of a price, and I eat it almost every single day. Normally I make my own salad dressing, but this creamy garlic is so good. Definitely gotta try out the Field Farmer Ranch, which also have chia seeds. It's a definite must buy. Wow, I can't believe that this milk actually tastes way better than the carton milk, guys. I made a fresh batch just to give it a try and see how it was. Ooh, so delicious. For only $4.99, guys, you get a nice full bottle of fresh milk. And all you gotta do is print out your little sticker, add it to the milk so you could pay for it in the end. I know you guys love some Oatly. They have a very nice section of plant-based vegan foods, as well as foods that may also contain cheese for vegetarians. So be very mindful when you're buying anything from Whole Foods, because everything there is not vegan. Check out their vegan cheese section, guys. I'm a definite big fan of Daiya cheese because it melts. Violife is good, but Daiya melts way better. I'm starting to really like Follow Your Heart, and the Parmesan cheese from Follow Your Heart, to me, is probably one of the best. I love Gouda cheese, but the Gouda cheese that they don't normally have, is sold out, is the best. And check this out, guys. They got cream cheese. Must try Miyoko's Smoked English cheese, family. So good. Alright, for those that love their yogurt or probiotic drinks, this is a definitely good try. I love them. Have 1 billion probiotics for you from Foroger. They're very good, and they also sell yogurt as well. Guys, y'all already know, when it comes to kombucha, GTS is my thing. Check out all the big bottles. You got some coconut water, both organic and regular, and it's a good price, $3.29. Can't go wrong with that, guys. Check out your little junk food aisle. You got some plant-based farm crisp, which is also good. Guys, I want to talk to you guys about these cookies. I'm definitely gonna make a review, but make sure it says the V, because if it doesn't say the V, it's not vegan, guys. Check out the brownies. They also have brownies that are vegan. Guys, these cinnamon blondies are crazy. Look at that. Check out the cornbread. You can't go wrong with a vegan cornbread, guys. This aisle is so delicious. For those that don't think us vegans eat good, clearly you have been mistaken. Check out the chickpea pasta, one of my favorites, guys. Look at all these chickpeas and these black beans, guys. I always try to get the one with no salt, with the non-BP lining, which is way better for you. If I'm ever making my vegan tuna, I always get my garbanzo beans from Whole Foods. Make sure you don't buy the cans that are bended, because that's very dangerous for your health. And as you can see, you only have 10 milligrams of sodium, and it's 120 calories. Very good at making tuna. Look at the price, just $1.09, guys. It doesn't cost much to shop at Whole Foods or even shop online on Amazon Fresh, where they'll bring the food directly to your door, guys. You got your quinoa, your brown teff. I even buy some of my flowers here, guys. Look at that, hearts of palm. You can make a quick tuna as well. Some artichoke hearts, those are very good. I always buy them as well. Guys, check this out. Look at all of these fresh organic vegetables. If you guys are making tuna, I always use my sea seasoning, kelp or sea salt. It depends which one you want to use, and you know, after you use these, you definitely gotta add your Old Bay to give it that fishiness like I told you guys in the past. Check out all their seasonings, guys. They have a pretty big selection. Look at the bread, guys. I have to honestly say, Whole Foods probably have the best bread section because all their bread is vegan. But make sure you check the back and check to see if that V is there. If it says vegan, you're good. And look at the price, $3.39, guys. They got hamburger bread, they got hot dog breads. If you're trying to get your kids to go vegan, it's so easy. Check out the vanilla coconut sugar, brown coconut sugar, your cane sugar, as well as your agave and your stevia, guys. Yeah, I know I mess with that spelt flour, and you see the gluten-free flour. All of the type of flours that you need is located right in Whole Foods, guys. It's a beautiful thing to come in here. It's like vegan paradise. Flax seeds, hemp seeds. Yo, yeah, I can't forget that tahini, guys. You know us guys, we need that tahini. Alright, they got all types of flavors in there. Very good at boosting energy, packed with all the things we need. Always check your mustard because sometimes it may contain eggs. And also, if you're looking for some plant-based, towel, plates, anything for barbecues, they have it as well. Keep the environment safe and go vegan. Check out their soaps, guys. All of these were handmade. And check out this burger, guys. This is all plant-based. Y'all know right now I'm on my Whole Food situation, so after shopping, I know you're hungry. This is a good place to get some food, guys. They got vegan pizza, vegan burgers, whatever you need, they got it. Got a little hungry, so I decided to get me a slice of pizza. This place is amazing. Check out this arugula vegan slice I'm about to kill. Alright, family, so I got me some vegan pizza from Whole Foods as well. Let me show you guys what it looks like. If you guys are shopping and you get hungry, they also sell vegan food. So this is what it looks like. My pizza is stuck. So, and for my drink, I got the Health Aid kombucha, which is really good. So let's see what this tastes like. Oh my god, it's so big. Alright, family, let's see. Wow. Alright, family, so let me try this vegan birthday blondie. Thing is, the wife took a bite, so there you go. For vegan, wow, tasty. Alright, guys, thanks for watching and subscribing. Peace. If you guys received any value from this Whole Foods video, please put the comments in the section below. And you guys know each and every Thursday I'll be dropping a brand new video. Hit these 2 videos to see what's next. Peace.